Happy morning, children. Today we will discuss about the contribution of Florence Nightingale. See, her picture is given about her life, and she lived a very short life. If you see, 1820 to 1910. She is considered as an idol in the field of nursing. She was devoted to the work of caring for the wounded and the sick. In the Crimean War, she nursed wounded soldiers and saved their lives. She is also known for her fundamental work in the field of statistics. See, we are all discussing the lesson statistics. So, what I like about her work is that she kept a systematic record of the condition of wounded soldiers. So, statistics is all about keeping a systematic record. So, what she did in her field was she kept a systematic record of the conditions. See, see the word condition is very important. Conditions of wounded soldiers, treatment given to them, and the results of the treatment, and deduced important conclusions. It means in a tabular form, the name of the soldier, what treatment was given to him, what were the after effect, and important conclusions were drawn from it. That is the meaning of statistics. The cause of the death of the soldiers was more often a disease like typhoid or cholera, and not the wounds in the war. See, a very important observation she made. The cause of the diseases were lack of cleanliness of the surrounding, polluted water, and crowded dwelling of the patients. This was this is called as deduced important conclusion. Means it was not the wounds that were the cause of the death. What was the cause of the death? Cleanliness. How relevant it is in today's time, where everywhere you can see more stress is being given on cleanliness, right? So Florence exhibited the information in the form of graphs. I showed you all how graphs, pictorial form, how it really works and eye catching, attractive they are, and pie charts to convince the people. You have to convince the people. Now there is no need to convince the people. Everywhere people are more aware about it. She showed that proper treatments, see, and observing the rules of cleanliness decreases the death rate considerably. See, observing the rules. What are the observing the rules nowadays? Sanitizing yourself, washing hands time and again, using mask, observe the rules, proper treatment should be taken. You have to see the symptoms. What are the symptoms? The municipalities accepted her observations. See, that to maintain the hygiene of town, good drainage system, and clean drinking water for everyone are necessary. How true it is, huh? Now, here her work established that systematic records. So, because she kept a systematic record, then only she could draw conclusion, right? Her work established that systematic record and the statistical methods. See why we have to study statistics. Statistical methods are useful in drawing reliable inferences. So that is the importance of statistics which Florence Nightingale realized. And now how true it is in today's times when we are all talking about cleanliness. So the statements, the thought cleanliness is next to godliness.